Non-basic Japanese with Yori. Vocabulary Japanese. Lesson 17. JoJo の奇妙な冒険。やれやれだぜ。Let's learn. JoJo's viral adventure quote from Kujo Jotaro. Japanese quote. Yare Yare Daze. ローマ字ややだぜ。English meaning good grief, give me a break. Kujo Jotaro, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Part 3. The most famous anime catchphrase that has no perfect English translation. Searched by millions of fans worldwide. Yare Yare. Meaning good grief, give me a break. Sigh. This is a kandanshi, an exclamation word. It expresses mild exhaustion, disbelief, or exasperation. Real life usage. やれやれ。また遅刻した。Good grief, I'm late again. やれやれ。しょうがないな。Good grief, can't be helped. Japanese note. やれやれは繰り返し言葉。The application です。やれ alone doesn't mean much, but say it twice. And suddenly it's full of singing energy. Daze, meaning rough, masculine sentence ending. You know, I'm telling you, as attitude. Japanese sentence endings by personality. Daze, rough, masculine, confident. Jotaro. Dayo. Casual, friendly, neutral. Dane. Soft, aggressive. Dawa. Feminine, arrogant. Da. Plain, neutral, factual. Japanese note. The same sentence changes completely depending on which ending you choose. Yare yare daze. With daze. Jotaro's crew. Detachment. Changing to yare yare dane. And it sounds like a kind grandma. Yare yare daze. Breakdown. Yare yare. Good grief! Exclamation sign. The is a casual copula. The laugh masculine ending particle signals confidence, cool attitude. English nouns, not just good grief. It's good grief, and I'm too cruel to care. Japanese note, the is a shujoshi, a sentence ending particle. It adds nouns without changing the core meaning. English has nothing like this. One tiny word changes the entire personality of a sentence. Yare Yare Daze. The most googled anime phrase worldwide. Yare Yare Daze has been searched millions of times. Fans heard it, loved it, and needed to know what it meant. That's the power of Japanese. Even a sign sounds cool. It said everything by saying nothing. Jotaro faces vampires, assassins, and ancient evil. His response? A calm sign. Good grief. Japanese culture staying cool under pressure. True strength. Why translation always fails here? Good grief is too old-fashioned. Give me a break is too aggressive. Whatever is too dismissive. Japanese Yare Yare Daze contains all of these at once. That's why the original Japanese always is harder. Try saying it. Yare Yare Daze. ローマ字やれやれだぜ English Good grief Say it like Jotaro Low, calm voice Zero panic Slight pause between やれやれだぜ Don't smile Don't frown Just down with everything When to use it in real life Your alarm didn't go off. Yare yare daze. You spilled your coffee. Yare yare daze. Monday morning. Yare yare daze. Say it like Jotaro. Unbothered. Unimpressed. Iconic. Thank you for please subscribe to the channel and rate it highly. Bye bye.